Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook session expired problem. So let's get started. So if you're using an Android, you'd simply need to clear the data and cache before uninstalling Facebook from your device. However, if you're an iOS user like me, you'd simply need to go ahead and delete the application off your device, as that removes all the data of Facebook. And once you have successfully uninstalled the Facebook application, you would need to go to the Google Play Store or the App Store to download the Facebook application and log back in. So if you're using an Android and you cleared the data and the cache, you would manually have to log back into the Facebook account. However, if you're using an iOS like me, you would simply need to tap on the account that you wish to sign in if your information was saved to Facebook. And that's method 1 on how you'd go about fixing Facebook session expired. So the second method is by actually going to the menu and manually logging out of the Facebook application, and then you would need to log back into the application afterwards. So those are pretty much the two ways you'd go about fixing the Facebook session expired problem. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.